All right, back we go. It is February 19th, 318 in the market. Market's very choppy day, back and forth. NASDAQ up plus 26, Dow Jones plus 66. Seems like the bulls are getting a little bit tired here. The penny stocks have run very hard. A lot of stuff's pulling back at this point, waiting for stimulus. See when that's going to happen. Let's look at SCKT, Socket Mobile. Yeah, we just talked about this one a few days ago. This had a big run. 4.68 million float. Finviz, 75 million market cap. So this is the typical penny stock. This thing was sideways for years, really. Then explodes up on a Dora sled scanner for iPhone 12s. So there it is, big move up. This one is high as 35. Pullback right now. It's looking like this 12 zone's holding. On these, it's very tough to say. When you gap up so much, you have a big space from this low down here, maybe like 329. It's such a wide margin. What's this going to do here? It's very tough. Immediately you want this 12 to hold. 12, you have 10, and then bottom of this wick, I would say 917. Lower volume, that's always good. So it did one spike up. It was like, a jaguar in the wild is holding, sneaking there, getting its prey, and eventually explodes up. And then it's waiting back again to get its food again. So it's just holding here. There's nothing like pushing it down hard, but nothing really pushing it up at this point. The 30-minute, you can see here. See this? Remember, this is 8. Remember 8, and then went all the way up to 34, and then inside. Let me see if I get the 5-minute. Yeah, you can still see in the 5-minute. See this move up to like 14. It came back. Look at that dip by. Remember 12, 10. You could have bought. Remember 20. I mean, this is a few days ago, but all right, you see that there. So basically, there's your stops, and if this explodes up again, probably we can get maybe back to 20. I think this is a good sign that this moved out like this and didn't collapse fully yet. So, this happens a lot. It's a one-day move, and then we'll see what happens from here. OPGN. $18 million float, 63 million market cap. Precision medicine company engages developing molecule information products, services United States internationally. All right, so this is a big 4 line. So this had the big drop from 18 down to 12, another gap, moved up to 4. This 2 line was big, but look at this 4 line. You have almost 3 touches for 5, 6, 7. Here's 8. Can't break through this 4 line. It's a very big line. Now we moved up here, the 2, the 225. We broke through here to 425. Now we're pulling back. You see stochastics is, see right here, we're in sort of a downtrend on stochastics. So this could come back to 275. Maybe this 270 line. You could pull back here and then we get a bounce. Maybe even 250. See this? That's a big line here, 250. Actually, you could put that in here. This 250 line is pretty big. So you can see the move up here now. It just depends where you're going to bounce from. We're going to go further. So watch this 275, this 20 EMA, or here to 250. Then we bounce up. And then we're going to probably test that 4 again, not too long. But we're in a, pulling back zone right here right now. So see what happens with that. Load. $27 million float, 358 million market cap. Let's see here. Is this a mining stock? Yeah, they have exploration, development, production of gold and silver in Nevada. So, this had the big breakout there. This thing was on fire. The 2 then exploded up to 985. Look at the pullback here. Now on this one, I would say watch this 4 line for a pullback. See right here, you have a move up. If this 4 don't hold, you're going way back in here to probably 3, maybe 250, where these EMAs are here. Well, see, when you're far away from EMAs, this could drop all the way down because it wants to touch now. It's just floating now, unless there's more news. Yeah, if we break up, watch for over 550, to challenge that again. So, what was the news on this that popped this? Comstock Mining triples after investment in lithium battery recycler. Okay, so that was pretty big news. So, here are the levels in this. Once you have news, you pop. Then what's the next move? Are you going down, retesting this, and then bouncing, or are you going to bounce right away? See the move volume on the up days much stronger than the down days. So, very big. All right, so you can see this big move up. This was sideways for a long time. Then we explode. So here we go in this. So this is another either or situation. It's just caught in between. Once you have a big move, some days you get 2, 3 days in a row, but you don't know here because it's a pullback and you got to wait for confirmation. If you're day trading, that's one thing. A lot of these moves are just longer term moves. I'm talking about, what direction we're going. Day trading is completely different. These are more of swings, what you see for the future of these stocks. Once it broke up here, then I can see the pattern here that you're holding that you're probably going to go up. This is the longer term view. Like today wasn't a bad move. What was the volume here? Not good volume though. I mean, you could trade it. Doesn't take a lot to trade it, but it's low on total volume here. 450 went all the way up to 625. That's not a bad move. All right, so that's it on these three. Please subscribe to Mike Game of Trades. Smash the like button. What else we got? TikTok. Mike Frank I. Stock Sweats, Mike Game of Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Twitter, Mike J Trades. All right, appreciate the support. Subscribe and hit the like button. Helps the algos. And that's it. Peace.